Seniors over 65? Eat these 7 dry fruits to repair vision and boost memory naturally while you sleep. Welcome back to Senior Bestie, the channel where we bring you life-changing health tips designed especially for those of you in your golden years. Today's video is about something truly powerful, a small change in your diet that can help repair your vision, sharpen your memory, and even improve how your brain works while you sleep. And no, we're not talking about expensive supplements, complicated exercises, or miracle pills. We're talking about something simple, natural, and absolutely delicious: dry fruits. Now, before you scroll away, let me ask you a question. Have you ever noticed your eyesight becoming a little blurrier, or that it takes you longer to remember names, dates, or even where you left your glasses? Maybe you've been experiencing more forgetful moments lately, or you feel your eyes strain faster when you're reading. If that sounds like you, then you're in the right place, because in this video, I'm going to reveal 7 dry fruits that seniors over 65 should eat regularly to repair vision, boost memory, and let the body heal naturally, especially while you sleep. Stay tuned, because I promise you some of these dry fruits are already sitting in your kitchen right now, but you may not realize just how powerful they really are. And I'll also share when and how to eat them for maximum benefit, because timing matters a lot. Here's something fascinating. Your body actually does its deepest healing while you sleep. Think about it. At night, your eyes rest, your brain clears out toxins, and your cells repair themselves. But this repair process needs the right fuel. If your body doesn't have the proper nutrients before bedtime, it's like trying to build a house without bricks. Dry fruits are nature's perfect bricks. They're packed with antioxidants, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that literally feed your brain and eyes while you sleep. Stick with me, because in a few minutes, you'll see how even a handful of the right dry fruit at night can transform your health. Dry fruit number 1, almonds. Let's start with one of the most popular dry fruits, almonds. Now, you may have been eating almonds for years, but do you know why they're so powerful for seniors? Almonds are rich in vitamin E, which acts like armor for your brain cells. Vitamin E protects your neurons from oxidative stress, which is basically the rusting that happens inside your body as you age. Studies have shown that seniors who regularly eat almonds have better memory recall and slower cognitive decline. And here's the part many people miss. Almonds contain riboflavin and L-carnitine, nutrients that directly support your brain's neurotransmitters, the tiny messengers that control how sharp your memory is. But almonds aren't just about the brain. They also improve your vision. They're loaded with antioxidants that fight free radicals damaging your eye tissue. Eating just a handful of soaked almonds before bed not only keeps your brain young, but also nourishes your eyes while you sleep. It's like sending your brain and eyes to a spa every single night. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning and realize you're remembering things more clearly. Your mind feels sharper, and your eyes don't feel as strained. That's what the right dry fruits can do. And the good news? It doesn't take years. It can start working within weeks. Dry fruit number 2, walnuts. Next on our list is the king of brain food, walnuts. Just look at their shape. They resemble the human brain, and that's not just coincidence. Walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are like premium oil for your brain engine. They help improve memory, concentration, and overall mental performance. If you're over 65, you know how precious it is to stay mentally sharp, not just for yourself, but for your family, your independence, and your quality of life. Walnuts are like a shield against memory loss, Alzheimer's, and age-related cognitive decline. But walnuts are also rich in melatonin, a natural sleep hormone. This means when you eat walnuts in the evening, they don't just feed your brain, they help you sleep better, allowing your body to heal and repair overnight. Stronger sleep plus stronger memory? That's a combination every senior deserves. Dry fruit number 3, dates. Now let's talk about dates. These sweet, chewy dry fruits are often underestimated, but they're a powerhouse. Dates are full of natural sugars like glucose and fructose, which give your brain instant energy. If you've ever felt mentally foggy in the afternoon, dates are your best friend. They give you a lift without the crash you'd get from sugary snacks. But here's the hidden benefit. Dates are rich in vitamin A and lutein, both of which are crucial for eye health. They help protect the retina, reduce the risk of night blindness, and keep your vision strong as you age. And since they're also high in magnesium, dates relax your nerves and muscles, preparing your body for deep, restorative sleep. Imagine eating 2 dates at night. Your body gets an energy recharge, your eyes receive protection, and your sleep quality improves. That's a 3-in-1 gift from nature. Here's something many doctors won't tell you. The eye cells that capture light, called photoreceptors, do most of their repair work at night. That's why what you eat before bed matters so much. If you fuel your body with the right dry fruits, you're giving your eyes the tools they need to repair damage while you rest. Dry fruit number 4, pistachios. Now, let's move on to pistachios, the tiny green gems that work wonders for your vision. Pistachios are unique because they contain 2 special antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin. These compounds are like sunglasses for your eyes. They filter harmful blue light from screens, sunlight, and even indoor lighting, which is crucial since blue light exposure accelerates age-related macular degeneration. Seniors who eat pistachios regularly have been shown to have sharper vision and a lower risk of cataracts. On top of that, pistachios are heart-healthy, helping to keep blood flowing to your brain and eyes. Remember, if your blood isn't circulating well, your brain and eyes suffer first. So, eating pistachios in moderation is like feeding your vision a protective shield every night. Dry fruit number 5, cashews. Next up, cashews. These creamy, crunchy nuts are more than just tasty. They're loaded with zinc and copper, 2 minerals that play a direct role in repairing vision. Zinc helps transport vitamin A to your eyes, which is essential for good night vision. Without enough zinc, your eyes can't produce the protective pigment melanin, leaving them more vulnerable to damage. Meanwhile, copper helps maintain strong blood vessels in your eyes and brain. Together, zinc and copper from cashews act like tiny mechanics, repairing the delicate machinery inside your eyes and brain while you sleep. Cashews are also great for your mood, reducing anxiety and keeping your mind calm before bedtime. Here's a quick question. Why take expensive pills when nature already packaged everything in dry fruits? Supplements often contain synthetic versions of nutrients, but dry fruits deliver them in the exact natural form your body recognizes and absorbs easily. Eating dry fruits is like getting your nutrients straight from the source. Dry fruit number 6, raisins. Let's talk about raisins. These little wrinkled fruits may look simple, but they are loaded with iron and antioxidants. Iron is critical for carrying oxygen to your brain cells. Without enough oxygen, your brain can't perform at its best, and that's when memory slips start happening. Raisins are also full of polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that improve communication between your brain's neurons. This means better memory retention, quicker recall, and improved focus. Seniors who snack on raisins daily often report feeling mentally sharper and more alert. But here's the bonus. Raisins also prevent dry eyes and keep your eye muscles strong. Just a handful can nourish both your brain and eyes at the same time. Dry fruit number 7, figs. Last but definitely not least, we have figs. Figs are rich in magnesium, potassium, and calcium. Figs also support melatonin production, which means they help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. And as I mentioned earlier, sleep is when your body performs its most important healing work. By eating figs at night, you're not just satisfying your sweet tooth, you're literally setting your body up for deep healing and rejuvenation. Picture this. Every night, instead of grabbing cookies or chips, you grab a small bowl of dry fruits. Almonds, walnuts, dates, pistachios, cashews, raisins, and figs. You enjoy them slowly, knowing that as you sleep, these natural superfoods are working tirelessly inside your body, repairing your eyes, boosting your memory, and helping you wake up stronger and sharper. It's such a simple ritual, yet the benefits last a lifetime. Of course, before you rush to the kitchen, let me share a quick word of caution. Dry fruits are powerful, but they're also calorie-dense. Eating too much at once can cause weight gain or digestive issues. The key is moderation. Just a small handful at night, about 30 to 40 grams in total, is enough to unlock their benefits. And always choose unsalted, unsweetened, and organic versions when possible. So, seniors over 65, here's the takeaway. Your golden years don't have to mean declining memory or fading vision. By adding these 7 dry fruits, almonds, walnuts, dates, pistachios, cashews, raisins, and figs, into your daily routine, especially before bed, you're giving your body the exact tools it needs to repair, heal, and grow stronger naturally. Don't wait until problems get worse. Start tonight. Create a small dry fruit ritual before bed, and let nature do its magic while you sleep. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these dry fruits do you already eat, and which one are you excited to add to your evening routine? Share your answer in the comments below. I'd love to know what's on your plate tonight. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tip from Senior Bestie. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth, and sometimes the simplest changes can bring the biggest results. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay healthy, stay strong, and keep shining.